Okay, so encrypting fields. I have added a couple of fields onto the article content type called author's place of birth, real name and telephone number. Let's go and take a look at one of those articles. You can see the fields down here. So to encrypt the field, we're going to use this module, field encrypt. It's pretty nice and easy to do. Just go modules, go and turn it on. Turn it on, click save. Okay, so now that's configuration saved. We can see there's a few errors. If I now close that, get the error there as well, and we can see the fields disappeared. If I flush my cache, once the cache is cleared, we're all good to go again. We can see all the fields. If we go and look in the database, what we can see for the telephone number field is all the plain text values. So if we go back to the site, and I'll go to content types, article, manage field, we just do the telephone number. Just scroll down the page, and we see encrypt this field. Click save. And if we go back to the database and click refresh, we can see that plain text value is now encrypted. And then you just repeat the process for whatever other fields that you want encrypted, and that is it. That's as simple as it is. With these modules where we haven't had to set the configuration, you can assume it's just going to use the default one.